in table 13.3, it wants you to take these calculations one step further, and it wants you to calculate a cost per pound of nitrogen. So what they do is they give you the analysis. They give you a price per ton. Okay, remember that's 2,000 pounds. Okay, and they want you to give them how much are we paying per, basically, 1 pound of nitrogen. How much does 1 pound of nitrogen cost of this big bulk of material, this ton of material? So let's take the first one. Okay, the first line says the fertilizer is urea. It's 45% nitrogen, no phosphorus, no potassium. The price is $240 per ton, okay, of urea. Well, what we need to do first step, is to ask the question: how many pounds of nitrogen is in this 2,000 pounds of urea? Okay. Well, we know we have 2,000 pounds of bulk material times the analysis. Well, that's 0.45. We know that the analysis is 4500. Okay. When I do that, 2,000 times 0.45, I get 900. Okay, pounds of nitrogen in 1 ton, right? Because this is 2,000 pounds here. Okay, so now I just set that up and I say, well, if it costs me $240 per ton, I can multiply that times the fact that 1 ton, so we'll put 1 ton down here too. 1 ton contains how much? How many pounds of nitrogen? Well, 900. 900 pounds of nitrogen. When we do this, we're going to be able to cross out that ton, and we're going to be left with how many dollars we're paying per this thing, pound of nitrogen. Okay, so we take 240, we divide it by 900. So let me do that. 240 divide 900, and we get 0.266666. So we'll just say 27 cents per pound of nitrogen. That right there is your answer to put into table 13.3. But what you'll have to do for every one of those is look at the nitrogen content, determine how many, determine this first. So determine this first, okay? How many pounds of nutrient, how many pounds of nitrogen do we have in that material, in a ton of that material? And then you'll fill in the blanks, what is the cost of it, and then how many pounds of nutrient, and you'll get this for every single one of those different kinds of fertilizers.